The last method for creating a custom environment where you can install your own software and sort of have control over that environment and what's installed there is with the Conda clone of the environment. So we're using Conda for encapsulating our Python environments and our custom builds of PyTorch, TensorFlow, and so on. And you can use this. Conda provides the ability to create sub-environments, but also this clone provides a complete copy of the Conda environment. So you really have complete control over all of those packages. So it's a little bit of a heavier hand than the virtual environment. So we tend not to encourage people to do this in their home directory. You notice in the previous example, I put the virtual environment in my home directory. My home directory is not very big. For Conda clone, we tend to recommend going down into one of the bigger project directories. So I'm going to go on Eagle, go to data science project area and my own personal directory down there. And I'm going to create my Conda directory there. So I've already module loaded Conda and activated the base. So I can create a Conda environment based on the base. I want to clone the base. And I'm going to put that in current directory. And I'm going to name it, test clone. Okay. And that will start that process. This is a long process. It's going to copy everything and set up the environment correctly, really mirror everything from our base installation into your project space. So this is a long process. We'll probably edit out this so that you don't have to sit here while it goes through.